Introducing the Milescraft ToolStand. The Milescraft ToolStand is compatible with most rotary tools, including Dremel, Black & Decker, Milwaukee, and many more. You can easily convert your rotary tool into a drill press or a horizontal tool holder. With the ToolStand, you can drill, polish, sand, and even route with your rotary tool. Included in the box will be everything you need to assemble your ToolStand and mount your rotary tool to the ToolStand. To begin assembling the ToolStand, turn the base upside down so the scales on the base are facing downward. Insert each rubber foot into the 4 screw holes. Or, using the 4 screws included with the ToolStand, you can mount the unit to any work surface by drilling the screws through the 4 holes on the base. Clamps can also be used to secure the unit in place, but be sure the clamps are tightly secured and are not in the way. Next, place the hex nut into the slot of the tube support hole. While holding the hex nut in place, insert the base bolt into the back of the tube support. Do not fully tighten. Flip the base over so the scales are facing upward on a flat surface. Insert the steel tube into the tube support and be sure the steel tube is fully seated into the base. Securely tighten the bolt to secure the tube in place. Insert the cord holder into the top of the tube with 3 prongs going into the tube. Insert the S-knob into the hole near the tool holder. The main housing can be mounted either horizontally or vertically, depending on your application. In the vertical position, you can drill, route, sand, and more. To mount the main housing in the vertical position, insert the triangular knob into the hole on the side of the tube holder, and then screw the additional hex nut onto the bolt of the knob. Do not fully tighten. Slide the main housing over the tube through the vertical slot at the back of the main housing. Tighten the main housing at any height for the time being. To mount the main housing in the horizontal position, insert the triangular knob into the hole at the base of the main housing, and then screw the additional hex nut onto the bolt of the triangular knob. Do not fully tighten. Slide the main housing over the tube through the hole at the base of the main housing. Tighten the main housing at any height. To mount your rotary tool to the tool stand, you will need either the metric or imperial collet nuts that were provided in the packaging. Place your rotary tool on the main housing with the tip of the tool going through the hole on the metal holder. Be sure the on-off, speed, and lock button switches are all accessible and that the rotary tool is sitting straight in the tool holder. Thread the collet nut onto the tip of the tool to secure the rotary tool to the metal holder. To attach the desired rotary tool accessory to the rotary tool, follow the manufacturer's instructions for attaching accessories. The Milescraft ToolStand has a strong and sturdy 6" by 6" base with imperial and metric scales for accurate measurement where needed. The base also has built-in slots that can be used to clamp your workpieces down to the base as needed. There's a built-in depth stop for your drilling applications. The max range of travel when the head is locked into position using the handle is 2.5 inches or 63.5 millimeters. The head of the tool stand can be adjusted on the metal rod. The max range of travel is 7 inches or 17.8 centimeters. Whether you need to sand, polish, drill, or route with your rotary tool, the Milescraft ToolStand has you covered. This tool stand is ideal for any workshop. Go out and get yours today. Milescraft, always the better idea.